This video shows the new features in the 1.4 and 1.5 releases of Weavly. Weavly has many keyboard shortcuts that enable people to use Weavly using switch software such as Grid 3. Navigating through the program using a switch can be very time-consuming. In recent versions of Weavly, we've added a few new keyboard shortcuts which allow me to move focus in the program by program block. There is also a new keyboard shortcut that can replace an action in the program with the action that is currently selected.
Movement forward 1 square replaced with turn right 90 degrees.
To find out about all of the keyboard shortcuts available, take a look at the documentation linked in the description below. If you'd like to learn more about how to use Weavly with switches, check out the guides on Weavly for switch users and using a scanning keyboard to access Weavly. We have added 2 new worlds to Weavly. In the Marble Run world, you can create a program to move the marble through the brick maze. In the Haunted House world, you can explore a creepy scene by candlelight. Another new feature we added is the ability to set the starting position of the character by using the character positioning controls. For example, in the Haunted House world, I can use the controls to move the character so that it starts on the chair instead of at the top of the stairs. You could also use this feature to draw the same shape in different places on the sketchpad. I'll modify the program so that it draws a square.
Control loop selected. Added control loop. Move to left. Move to left. Deleted movement forward 1 square. Deleted movement forward 1 square.
And now I'll run the program. Now I can move to another position and run the program again to draw another square. I could also change my direction and run the program to draw a diamond. We took the opportunity to make a lot of little improvements, including making the loop highlighting more prominent while the program is running. If you're just getting started with Weavly, check out our other videos linked in the description below on customizing Weavly and creating and sharing programs. I hope you have fun!